Hey guys, Matty from Forming Sessions Australia. You wouldn't believe what I've done. I've got 35s under the BT with hardly any modifications. So let's check it out. So what I'm going to do is take all these out, pin that back. So that bracket's got to come out. So we'll take that out and then we'll pin this guard back. Put this screw back in, hold the front bumper in there. Realistically you can stick a cable tie between those two as well, might just do that just to hold it there. All I've done is put a mark across where I'm going to cut. We'll cut that out and that should be enough. That's all we took out. Stuff all really. Take that out. Similar process, pull all the clips out. So that thing in there is what you got to pull out. So then you can pull the guard back, pin the guard back, sorry. It's just a couple of 13 mils. Right, I've got that off. Pull that out. Then what you're going to do is kind of bend this guard so it goes in behind where it normally would sit. So what I'm doing is going around the body mount, through here, through here. Just pin it back. Like so. So what we're going to cut is this knob off here. Doesn't have to be much, but we're just going to cut it off. So it pretty much goes flush with that. So we'll cut that off. You should be looking pretty good. Just trim that up neat so it's doesn't have a sharp edge. Obviously watch where your sparks are going. And that is pretty much it. So we'll chuck the 35 on and see how we go. Whew. Heavy bugger. So don't get me wrong, do I think this is going to work off-road? We'll soon see. I've got to drop the strut out. That'll give me full range of motion to see where it's going to scrub, and I'll probably have to cut a bit more. But for beach work and I think around town, I'm not going to have any issues. Got plenty of room. Like here's probably going to be tight on full lock if I've got to compress. So probably still needs a bit of work there, but you know, it's working. There's definitely no issues with it. Would this work with the tub? Not too sure. I'm sure someone's going to test it for me after this, but with the tray, all I had to do was I've cut a bar off here that was across here, just because it was so close to the tyre, and that was it. I will be putting a 2-inch body lift in this tray, only because I want to get the trundle drawer back under, and the mounts are just too low for the trundle drawer to fit. But I think we might be a good thing here. As I said, once we're able to go off-road, I'll be able to test it more, but until then, we're good to run around town.